we're still at the Mid-Norfolk Railway here at Dereham, and the reason I'm filming this is because we're just going to have something to eat in the beautifully restored and refurbished intercity dining carriage, first class dining car. I understand that this was one that was used to be with Virgin and was passed on to the Mid-Norfolk Railway. It was partially stripped out when they got it, but they've put it back together, put all the equipment back in, cleaned it, brought it up to health and safety standards, and it's now serving meals, and it's absolutely fantastic, and we're just about to eat something on it. We've reserved a little table for the journey from from Dereham to Wymondham. I'm just getting on. It was quite congested last time I came through here. But Gregory, as you'll see, is just at our little table here, which we've reserved. And several other people on board. Just going to come through.
Sorry.
Thank you. It's very warm in here, and actually the whole train smells of bacon, which is beautiful unless you're a vegetarian. This is where all the activity goes on, I believe. Morning.
Morning.
It's the station master. This is where all the staff are, busy preparing the meals. And there's also a little buffet thing where you can buy drinks down the end there. So we're going to be ordering some food, hopefully sausage and bacon, in a moment, and enjoy the journey. Thank you. This is where we're going to be dining, and then here somewhere there's a little menu which you may be able to see.
And the drinks menu.
And I think we're probably going to order I'm going to order the Great British All-Day Breakfast. So there you go. So we're on the Mid-Norfolk Railway, about to go to Wymondham Abbey again, in the dining car.